Ivan Murphy is the chairman of Harena Resources. He's been on his travels lately around the world in various locations. Ivan, how are you today?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. So tell us where you've been and what it means for Harena.
Yeah. Well, look, I've been really fortunate these last couple of weeks to travel a bit and get the opportunity to increase the awareness of our company and again, more importantly, to build some connectivity in the US. So 2 weeks ago, since we last saw each other, I was in Washington, DC for a couple of days. And this is just to help build awareness of our project within what is now the major focal area for critical mineral security, which is the USA, and they have been the most proactive in the market of the leading kind of countries who now face this critical mineral issue with the control that the Chinese have over supply. So got the opportunity to go there, and with the help of some people locally, was able to start to just build a connectivity for us with these key government institutions, but also investors there. We have some investors already in our company who are US, as we've discussed before, and the chance to meet some more of those and just talk about our project and just bring our project into focus. You know, we have this incredible resource which can be a decent part of the solution to this issue, which is so timely at the moment. And so, yeah, so it was really fascinating and to see firsthand just how proactive their government is. You know, the UK does have a critical minerals now agenda, which is now becoming more to the forefront politically. But to see how the US are just, so forward in what they're doing, their investment in MP materials directly by the DoD, US Exim's Bank, giving some lending support to a rare earth project in Madagascar, that's mine, in Greenland. And so, we just wanted to build that connectivity and to start to get into the mouths and ears there with our project. So it was a really, really useful visit. This week, I'm in Australia, so another part of the globe altogether, at Perth for Africa Down Under, which is a very well attended, long standing 20, 30, I don't know how many, it's 20 something, nearly 30 years they've been doing this. About 1,500 delegates here from all over Africa, lots of different projects. We're here with a delegation from the Mining Ministry of Madagascar, which is excellent for us, obviously. So we're getting to spend some time with them, some time to build up our connectivity with them, but also our process with them as we move forward with our mining license application, the submission of our feasibility study, which we've almost completed. So it's a really key week with us to get to spend that time together with the delegates from the ministry. And also we'll get to present the project to the conference. So as I say, there's some 1,500 delegates here. I'll speak tomorrow on the podium with representatives from the mining ministry in Madagascar. They'll talk about Madagascar. I'm going to talk specifically about the project. And it's a fabulous opportunity for us, just to continue to build awareness of the project. We have also, since I last saw you, taken control now of 100% of the project. We had owned 75%, and we've now secured the balance of the remaining 25%. That was well flagged in our prospectus at the time of our reverse, that was something that we were moving towards. So it's great to have completed that milestone in our journey. And we were reflecting last night over dinner with the board that we only did the reverse in March. We did the fundraising was some time after that, but just recently at the very beginning of August. So, we've come a long way in actually just a few months, So I think we're excited now that the information and our opportunity is starting to dissipate into the market from all the work we've been doing and work with people like you who've been helping us to just to build awareness of the project and of our company. We're the only ionic clay rare earth company listed on the London Stock Exchange. We're one of the only ionic rare earth projects in the world outside of China. And we have a proven resource, not an exploration company, as I keep telling you and keep mentioning in all communications, and not a mining company because we're a free dig clay in situ heap leaching process, which is not the same as obviously blowing stuff up and blowing up rocks and things like that. So no, really happy to have the chance to give you a quick update. And yeah, been a busy few weeks, and we're looking forward to now uh, all that goes with that. I'm actually been called back to DC next week for some subsequent meetings, which was very exciting. It's a lot of traveling, but I'm really happy to be asked to come back. That means somebody's started to take consideration of the project, and so no, we're very very pleased to be able to do that. So that's a kind of a potted summary of a busy few weeks, and delighted with the chance to give you the update.
Ivan Murphy. We look forward to the next item of news. I think there's plenty more coming down the line, and thanks for joining us today.
Not at all. Thanks. Good to see you.